Hey, what's going on, guys? Came here early Friday morning, and it's been 1 year since I've dropshipped. I work in social media. I'm a social media marketer. I do real estate photography and videography, and I just run different social media businesses, as well as I want to start back up my Shopify business. So this is going to be my intro to you guys saying, hey, we're starting the $0 to $1,000 challenge. I'm gonna try to do it again in 5 days, like I did my first ever time doing Shopify. I don't know how well the market's doing for that niche. We're gonna test the exact same niche, exact same influencers. 1 year since last year when I made my first $700 doing it. I think I started it actually last 2 Marches ago, and then I stopped last October. So it's been a year since I've stopped, and we're gonna get back into it. I'm gonna run it properly like a business now since I've run more businesses. These are things that you guys are gonna wanna know as a viewer of this. You can't really start a Shopify store if you don't know business. So if you're gonna start a Shopify store and you don't know anything about business, you're probably gonna fail. If you know stuff about business and you know stuff about social media marketing and you know stuff about running basic businesses, then you guys can do it. But if you don't have that sort of consistency and or regularity that you guys can do it every single day and keep on it, then you're not gonna succeed at it, because you're gonna be hiring people to work for you, hiring people to fulfill orders, hiring people to find new products and stuff, make new Instagram stuff. You're gonna be paying them only $2 to $5 a day, but you gotta be on them and you gotta make sure that they're doing their job and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys are excited for this series. I'm super excited. I've been really making videos, so I thought this would be a great way to kind of reach out to you guys, build my network back up. So follow me on Instagram, follow me on YouTube, subscribe, join the Facebook page. Everything will be linked down below. I'm excited, just spilled coffee all over my laptop. Let me get to work now, bye.